quick tips here. I want to focus on Facebook pages to watch tool. So a lot of times us marketers, we always say content is king. We've been yelling that to our, to the top of our lungs for years now. And guess what? It still is true. Content still is king. You still need a blog. You still need search engine optimization. You still need to post on the different social media platforms. All this is definitely true. But then what I hear a lot of, people really don't know where to go to find content. Yes, they can be a guru and expert in their industry, but they feel like they run out of things to say. And I can tell you there's never enough to say. So my suggestion, this is one tool, and I have about 10 tools total and more that I'll give you guys, but not directly on the show. I'll post some in the description part. But this particular tool is Facebook pages to watch. And this, hold on, let's get the image up here so you can actually see how it looks too. So it's a feature, and it's in your insights section of your Facebook page. So could we show them that image with the Facebook Watch tool? Okay. So we're going to be pulling that up. So while we're pulling that up, I'll just kind of keep going here. But the Facebook pages to watch features is it's the insights section of your Facebook page, as I said. Not that part. Not that one. It's the actual image. Yes, hold on. All righty here. We're going to get that for you guys. There we go. Perfecto. So it allows you to actually see the activity, the engagement, the audience growth of other Facebook pages. So for me, I know whom in my industry that I follow. And we're talking about, your Sandy Krakowski's, for example, people who are doing extremely well. And I don't look at them as a competitor, but I more so see them as a part of my research tool. So I have her a part of my Facebook Watch tools, and I have 4 others. So the whole point is this. If you don't know what to talk about, see what they're talking about. With this particular tool, they'll show you what their audience actually loves, things that are trending with their audience, because you got to think of it this way. Hey, we're going after a very similar audience. Yes, they may be a little higher than I am, but you're trying to get where they are or higher than them. So the whole thing is you want to use content that they're using, but do not copy it exactly, okay? Let me make that clear. You're not copying the content exactly. Here in this example, you see where it says add pages. That's where you'll add those pages when you want to watch a page. Here is just an example with Netflix, Bryant Pickens, Zappos.com, Shopify, and LinkedIn. And it just shows you the total page likes. Then it shows you from last week how well their content has been doing, if it went up or down. And all that information is super important to you because, again, you'll know what information to speak on. And what you would essentially do is just click into their page, and then it'll show you as far as priority-wise, which content did the best, which one did not do so great, and so forth. Now, in order to actually utilize this tool, you have to have at least 100 fans. So for you to be able to create a list of pages to watch, you must have at least 100 fans. When you're in your insights section of the Facebook, you'll scroll all the way down to see where you see that add page button, which is what I just showed you guys. So let's see, and I want to go over a few more things here. So when you click the blue add page button and you type in the name of the page that you like, then you'll add at least 5. You can add more than 5. You can add up to, as many as you want, to be honest, but at least a minimum, you must add 5 to continue. And so they'll deliver you, like I said, the top 5 posts that receive the most engagement for the week. In some cases, you'll see multiple posts for a particular page, but some of them you may not see any results for those pages, and it just depends on how often they were posting for that week. Alrighty, so that's a great tool to use to find some content. Another tool I would suggest, and I don't have an image of this one, but it's called Reddit.com. So the color red, R-E-D, then you'll have another D, IT.com, REDDIT.com. Reddit is ranked number 7 globally out of all the websites globally in the world, and it's ranked number 5 here in the U.S. So that is an extremely high ranking. So I strongly suggest you just go to Reddit, create an account if you don't have one already. Once you create your account, log in, and there's a little search icon over to like the top right. You'll click on that search icon, type in whatever your industry is, travel, fitness, digital marketing, social media, technology, whatever your industry is. type that in, food, and it'll bring up, and this is, oh, thanks, Nick. So this is right here, I'll show you how Reddit actually looks. So it's a content overload. That's what Reddit is. And I love it. You can find and see what people are voting on, to see what's trending the most, because then you want to go back and write a blog post about content that's trending, but in your own words. Again, don't copy and paste what other people have out there. You want to share your own spin, your own opinion about that particular topic. Again, it has to make sure it's trending. All right. So those are 2 ways that you can